In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the underline from links using custom CSS. If you're looking to tidy up your website's appearance and create a more streamlined professional look, this is a quick and easy way to achieve that. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to your website's design settings. You'll typically find this in your website builder's dashboard, perhaps under a section labeled Design or Appearance. The goal is to locate where you can implement custom code or CSS adjustments. Once you're in the Design section, you should see an option for Custom CSS. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. Now that you have found the Custom CSS area, it's time to input the specific code that will remove those pesky underlines from your links. Type in the following line of code: A like text decoration, none, on. This little snippet of code instructs your browser that any and all anchor tags, which are typically the HTML source for your links, should not have any text decoration, thus removing the underlines. It's a simple line, but it speaks volumes in terms of cleaning up the visual clutter. Once you've entered that code, it's important to save your changes. You'll usually find a save button towards the bottom or top of the section. Click on it to ensure your modifications are applied. Saving is crucial because without it, your website may not reflect the changes you've made, and those underlines will stubbornly persist. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your website to make sure everything looks just right. Double check that the links don't have underlines and that you haven't accidentally altered any other elements. If anything seems off, you can always return to the custom CSS section and fine-tune your code until you're satisfied with the result. This simple tweak can significantly improve your website's readability and overall aesthetic by fostering a cleaner and more cohesive design. By removing those underlines, you direct focus more clearly onto the content and design elements that truly matter. Remember, achieving a minimalist and modern website appearance often hinges on paying attention to such details. There you have it, a straightforward process to enhance your site's look through custom CSS. Remember, as you get more comfortable with CSS, you can further explore customizing your site's appearance with different styles and effects. Whether you're aiming for minimalist elegance or a vibrant, lively design, understanding and utilizing CSS is a powerful skill in your web design toolkit. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your website's design. Keep experimenting and have fun making your site uniquely yours.